Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
I'm working from home today, so I haven't started yet, and Alex is probably off in La La Land sleeping. Surprise, surprise. So today we're going to make some peach iced tea. Peach iced tea. So I've got 4 peaches. They're already, I got the pit out of them already. And I've got a 2-quart thing here, and I've got boiling water. In my measuring cup that I can put a total of 4 cups. I'm going to put 4 cups of boiling water.
It's very easy to make.
You got 4 tea bags in here, and I'm going to let this steep for 5 minutes. That's all we need, 5 minutes. And then I'm going to unplug this, and I'm going to plug my blender in. This is the stupidest, easiest thing you can make. It really is.
It's so easy.
Yep.
Anybody can do this.
So if you're that person that says, "Oh, I have to go out and buy," I have to go out to the local tea store and buy peach iced tea.
You're wasting your money because you could easily make it for the same amount or less.
Way less.
Yeah.
And to those who insist, "Oh, you have to sweeten it," believe me, there's already enough sweetness in this already. But if you have to, just for those who say that you need it, I'm going to put a little honey in this too.
Yeah.
So let's see how this works out. You want to put the cover on this, because if you don't, it's going to be a really big mess.
Yeah.
And of course, this is going to be a little bit of a pain. Sometimes you put a little bit of water and it will help too.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know what?
We're going to use a food processor
We're
instead.
Use a food processor because I know that works. It works well.
Can't say we didn't try.
This blender is not really that good. It is what it is.
It'll probably work in 2 seconds. And I'll get you the top for it. There you go. And watch this.
Yeah. There we go. I'm having a little bit of trouble fitting this in here for some odd reason.
Yeah, that's weird. Careful.
You see, this is going to be, this is a pain.
Is it in the right way?
It should be. So we're going to be back here in a second once we figure out what's going on.
Alright.
So we're back and our food processor died. I feel like crying, but it is what it is.
We got a lot of good use out of it, and for some reason...
Just decided it's dead.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to cut this down as best I can.
We'll have to use our blender.
And the good news is we're ready for the next step anyways, because it took long enough to do this.
Easily.
Always put the cover on, guys. Always put the cover on. And we're going to be right back because we're going to do something unorthodox. Alright, so welcome back. So before we begin, let's hit the like, share, subscribe button. Of course, check our website, www.poulskitchen.com. And we got our roommates, Ninja, so let's hope this works.
Oh, yeah. Easily.
Okay, so that works. Alright, so now we've got the tea's ready. It's been over 5 minutes since this whole mess started. Now I'm going to take this out here. Those tea bags can be used. And this is one
Reused, yeah.
Reusing this one?
Yeah.
Alright, so we can't drink this for quite a while because we have to let the tea cool down first. It has to be totally cool. So to anybody who sits there and gripes that, oh, you have to pay for this, you don't. Put this over the end so that you don't reach into it. And so we're going to pour this in here. And personally, I don't think you need any sweetener in this, but I've never had this before, so I really can't tell you for sure. But fruit already has enough of its own natural sugars.
Yeah.
So you really shouldn't have to do a whole lot.
No.
But just to make everybody happy, it's like, oh, but Paul, we have to have a little bit of sweetener. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of honey in here. And that should be good enough.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a wooden spoon, because this has a big enough mouth for it.
And we're going to stir it.
We're just going to stir it. And we're going to leave this sitting here until it cools down. And then we're going to stick this in the fridge and we'll have this tomorrow.
Yeah.
But you're going to shake and stir it before you start serving it. And that's it. So we're just going to cover this. We're going to cover it. We're going to let it cool, then stick it in the fridge, and we're going to leave this overnight until tomorrow morning.